Do you have an old Moen bath shower valve that's really difficult to change between bath and shower? You got this little thing here and you're supposed to pull it out. It's so hard right now I can't pull it out with my hand at all. So sometimes we would use a pair of pliers and yank it out, which is ridiculous. Well, now I'm going to show you how to fix it. The part number is a Moen push-pull diverter valve, number 1198. Don't even need to go to a plumbing supply store. You can order it straight on Amazon and have it shipped right to your house for about $25. The part looks like, here it is, part number 1198. It looks like this, and watch how easy this is supposed to work. Push it in, and it comes out on its own as soon as the shower is done. That's amazing. Can operate it with one finger. Okay, as far as tools, you will need a screwdriver. Phillips head, at least on mine, to take off the covers for your valve. You will need a 1-inch deep well socket. And at least with my shower, even with a deep well socket, it's not quite deep enough to both fit this thing inside it and get a socket wrench on. So instead of using a socket wrench to turn the socket, I use a large pair of channel lock pliers to grab the outside. You'll see in a second. So basically those three tools: screwdriver, 1-inch deep well socket, pair of channel lock pliers to turn your deep well socket, and your number 1198 Moen push button diverter valve. So the nice thing is that this diverter valve doesn't even have water running through it unless you have the water here turned on. So you'll notice I am not shutting the water off to my house or anything. The repair is as easy as pulling the old one out, putting the new one in, even with the water in your house turned on. Here goes. And there's the old diverter valve removed, which is quite sticky, which would have been why it was so hard to open and close. Here's the new diverter valve going in. And that's really it. Look at that. Shower, bath. So the way it'll work is when you turn your water on and water is flowing through this valve, push it in for just a second and it'll turn your shower on and it'll stay on shower until you turn the water off altogether. That'll release the pressure in the valve and it'll go right back to bath all on its own. Hope that was helpful.